In this video, we will show you how to use X660 drone. First, use the screwdriver to remove the screw and open the battery cover. Then put 4 AAA batteries into the remote control. Close the battery cover and use the screwdriver to tighten the screw. Connect the USB charging cable to the charging port of the drone. Then insert another end of the charging cable into the adapter. The indicator light is on when charging the drone, and stays off when the drone is fully charged. First turn on the switch of the drone. The light starts flickering. Then press the power button to turn on the remote control. The indicator light starts blinking. Raise the left joystick up and down. The pairing is successful when the indicator lights stay on. Push the left joystick upward. All blades begin to rotate. Push the left joystick upward again, the drone takes off. Push the left joystick downward, the drone lands. Push the left joystick upward, all blades begin to rotate. Press the 1-key takeoff land button, the drone takes off. Press the button again, the drone lands. Thank you for viewing our setup instructions video.